What is up, everybody? Today, we're going to be doing a trade recap of March 19th. We're going to go straight from the Discord like always. If you guys took a trade today, you probably got cooked, but we're going to go over everything. There's not really much to go over, but I am going to explain why things didn't work and explain what I have for this week, coming into next week, and my opinion. So, yeah. I just want to say good morning, everybody. This is my last day trading this week due to bad price action. Today, we have some really weird draws on liquidity. On NASDAQ, we have random data lows and a draw that is lower. But on the other hand, ES has no data lows and nothing lower. So both indexes, is there a spider on me? Sorry. Both indexes are different. Both indexes are showing different things. And then we just swept a major draw on liquidity that was like, I think it was like months back from maybe February on ES and NASDAQ. So already seeing that, I'm expecting price to be slow. But here was the draw before, or when I sent it, and then by the time I sent it in, data lows got destroyed. But yeah, so data lows wasn't even a thing, and then we only had this draw lower. So let's go into the market. Where is TradingView? Lock in. All right. So coming into pre-market, right? We came up here and we set out some of these highs, and then we got IFVG right here. Not that that matters, but it is showing the direction and continuing of the high time frame, right? So market opens, we immediately dump down. I think it was like a 110-point candle. I low-key got hyped. I was like, maybe we're actually going to get good price action. Am I tripping? Am I going crazy? I was on Top Step doing this morning. Am I going crazy? Maybe I am going crazy. I don't know. I was not on TradingView. I was on Top Step. It looks way different on Top Step. But yeah, so we got a huge candle to the downside. And on Top Step, for me at least, the draw was farther. I'm not sure why this is so super close, but I saw some people hop in some of these, right, targeting that draw that was lower. And then maybe you had your stop here. Maybe you had your stop here or wherever, right? Like, it depends on really your entry. I saw most people did this right here, and then they got break even. Again, that is fine, but you got to understand you're entering on the market open candle. You're going to get manipulated most of the time. And I don't even know why these didn't play out. The best thing I can assume is price action is very, very weird, and I'm going to get into that the rest of the day, right? So we come up, I think we make an SMT at these lows, and then we come up and we get this IFVG, a flip and a retrace. I saw some people try to snipe draws. Like, people were trying to do this, right? Stop at either this low or that next low right here, and then just sniping. Absolute snipe. Like, complete snipe. I saw this from a lot of people, which is just crazy. 200 points is just insane. But yeah, if you took this trade, whatever, right? You understand why you got break even, you understand why you lost, whatever happened to you. And that's really it. Right, I locked out like around this point. As soon as I saw these candles and then like they just failed to keep delivering higher, I'm locked out. I'm tired of price action not delivering anywhere. I'm tired of us not actually having a direction that we want to go, and that's why I locked out early. Like, I wasn't even on the charts 30 minutes like past market open. I was off, completely off. So yeah, everything past like the day like doesn't make any sense, right? We come up, we chop, we go down, we come back up, we chop. We come up, we go down, we chop, we chop, we chop, we come up, we come down, we chop, 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 come down, chop, 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 chop. Like, we're doing a bunch of nothing, and then randomly we get just the greatest price action of all time. And there was this, boom, boom, right? That was the trade available. We took the draw, we chopped, and now we're chopping again, right? Like, there's nothing that is A plus at all. Like, this week, there's been nothing that's been A plus. There's been one thing that I've taken that was pre-market, right? So it's like, if we're not getting any setups and we're not getting anything that you would risk your life on, risk your house on, bet a bunch of money on, we should not be taking these like any trades. And that's why this week I've been so defensive. I've been not buying evals. I've been sticking to my funders. I've been just like laying low basically, is because of what is going on. And then also at the same exact time, like, again, we're not delivering anywhere. We're not going anywhere. We're not getting anything out of any of this. So again, I'm not going to be trading tomorrow. I strongly advise you guys to not trade tomorrow. I think that taking a break is probably the best considering what is going on. And if all of a sudden price action reverts back to normal, then come back. But like, guys, we are not going anywhere. Super hard to find trades. And we're just not delivering. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know in the Discord. Let me know in my DMs. And if you guys do have any questions, just holla at me, man. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your trading week. And that's all I got to say.